Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is our drawbridges. You can either have a black drawbridge that would match this or an arch drawbridge that would match that. You don't have to have a match necessarily, but there are two kinds that I'm going to show you. All right, the first thing you need to do is you need to get your lines going for your drawbridge. When you do that, you are going to put your ruler on the opposite vanishing point, so the vanishing point that's over here. So if you were doing a drawbridge on the right side of your paper, then you use the left vanishing point. If you're doing a drawbridge on the left side of your paper, you use the right vanishing point. So my ruler is on my opposite vanishing point, and then it should also be on the bottom corner of your door. And you are going to make a line. I'm going to do the same thing on this corner. Make sure your ruler is on your opposite vanishing point. And then make a line. And do the same thing here. And the same thing up here. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is figure out how far out we want our drawbridge to go. I only want it to go out about that far. So I'm going to hold my pencil here and then go to the vanishing point that I used to make the door and make a line that goes across. And erase any extra. At this time, if you're doing a rounded drawbridge, you need to come and round off the top. It used to be that in defense, the people in the castle would sometimes put the drawbridge up and it would cover the door for an extra defense. So you don't generally want your drawbridge to be much smaller than your door. Okay, the next thing you're going to do for the rectangular one is you're going to draw a straight line that comes down from the main corners. 1, 2, and 3. For the rounded one, you're going to make a straight line that comes down here, and also a straight line that comes down at the very tip of the drawbridge. For this one, it's pretty easy to finish off. You're just going to make a line that's parallel to that, and come down, and then curve around until you meet up right there. For this one, there's a little bit more to do. You're going to start at the bottom of this and go to the opposite vanishing point. And then you're going to start in the same place and go to the same vanishing point. Oops, I didn't go far enough. And those are your basic drawbridges. If you would like to add wood onto the drawbridge, the first thing you do is you make straight up and down lines as far apart as you want the boards to be, or as wide as you want the boards to be. And then you're going to connect top of the line to the vanishing point on the same side. Top of the line to the vanishing point on the same side. You're going to continue. That's going to be the same whether you're doing a path or a rounded drawbridge or a rectangular drawbridge. It's also the same as the wood floor that we did before. Okay, and then the last touch for the drawbridge is I would add some kind of chain on here.